Time is not just a measure of seconds and minutes, it's a measure of moments and memories. It's time to upgrade your style with the Invicta 23860-bolt analog display quartz black watch. The steel and gold-toned stainless steel case, with a diameter of 48 mm and thickness of 16.5 mm, exudes sophistication and durability. The black dial, with luminous hands and hour markers, adds to its sharp look. The Japanese quartz movement, VD53 Caliber, ensures accurate timekeeping and is assembled in Japan with in-state Route 920 Southwest battery included. With a weight of 200 grams, this watch is not only stylish but also comfortable to wear. The black silicone band, 210 mm in length and 32 mm in width, is secured with a buckle clasp, making it the perfect fit for any wrist size. The mineral crystal and screw-down crown add to the watch's durability, and the stationary stainless steel bezel with functional subdials, 60 minutes, 60 seconds, 24 hours, add to its functionality. The Invicta 23860 bolt is also water-resistant up to 200 meters, making it suitable for professional marine activity and surface water sports. It's perfect for diving and any other water-based activities. Make every moment count with the Invicta 23860 bolt analog display quartz black watch.